Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We have continued to follow the corrective price channel to the downside. I did adjust it a little bit, the trend channel. This one seems to apply a little bit more. The angle was changed a little bit. I highlighted in yesterday's last video that another move to the downside would actually not be unlikely, maybe to the 61.8 retracement 1832 or even the 78.6 retracement at 1802. Yesterday when I made the last video, we were, I think, just here. We had reacted to the A equals C ratio. So often what you get is the C wave, which bottomed here around 1858, has the same length as the A wave in such a so-called zigzag correction. Yeah, this is zigzag, the ABC. You see that when the A wave is an impulse, the B wave is quite shallow, and the C wave is, a 5-wave move. Then you have typically a zigzag correction. This was one, and it adhered very nicely to that A to C ratio. So at that point we said we need to be watching for a possible reversal back to the upside, but it did not rally in 5 waves. So we said, okay, continuation is likely, and it's following that. It made a new low, and I think it's morphing into a WXY correction. So basically a complex corrective pattern, which is a so-called double zigzag, which indicates that this whole thing that we've seen here, ABC, will happen again. So you take basically this section and you add it to the high of the X wave, and then you get something else which looks very similar. A, we already started, B, and then the C wave down. It would look clean if it came back to 1802, in my opinion. Yeah, hitting just the 61.8 fib, of course, possible, but it would look a textbook-like if it comes back to the 1802 level, which is that 78.6 fib level. If we after that see a breakout above the corrective price channel with a break above 1883, which is the X wave high, I think then we have a good confirmation that a low has been made in this wave too, and we could rally in a third wave. Yeah, I'm currently counting this move that started on the 3rd of April as a so-called 1-2 setup. Yeah, 5 waves up, 3 waves down in WXY. WXY is a more complex correction with two zigzag corrections together, connected through an X wave. So yeah, please note that below 1802, this 1-2 setup, which is a bullish setup, will get very unlikely. Yeah, that's a typical fib level where they do get unlikely. But then we are simply falling back into deeper support and then have a chance to find support at 1717. Let's try to figure out if we can. I mean, the A to C ratio worked out. We had a bit of a bounce. It was not a trend reversal. It would have been on a very small time frame here, but at least it completed the ABC pattern as it seems. So let's see if we can get an understanding when the Y wave should finish based on ideal fib levels and fib relationships. So yeah, you can see here there is the 61.8 extension at 1833. That's the very first target that you would consider for a Y wave normally. That's at 1833. That's so much in line with the 61.8 retracement. Good fib confluence there. And then we have really good fib confluence around 1802, which is again the 78.6 fib level and also the 1-to-1 ratio where we already had that reaction of the C wave. So yeah, that's sort of the situation at the moment. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And if you want to learn more about Elliott Wave and trading and technical analysis, you can check out our trading course that we offer on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.